Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing, right? Could you please confirm, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So all five members are new to the demo class, right? So are you any one of you who joined from manual? Please drop in the chat if you are not able to speak. Are you new to this class or you are joining from manual testing? Am I audible, guys? Please confirm. Please respond if I am audible.
Yes.
All you guys are new to the automation demo class, or else you guys are joining from manual testing. That's what I'm asking.
I've already attended manual classes.
Okay.
Attended from manual classes.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So, for today, we are going to discuss about the syllabus and what you guys are in automation. That's it. We are not going to discuss any topic in the today. So we just see the introduction part, what is meant by automation and what concepts we are going to learn in this during the course. Okay. These are the concepts only we are going to see in the today session. From tomorrow onwards, actual classes are going to be started for the automation. Okay. Actual classes are going to be started for the automation. Total, we have 6 weeks for the automation, 2 weeks for the manual. Manual 2 weeks course is already done. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start the automation testing concepts. Total, we have 6 weeks. Okay. Each week, we are going to take classes on only weekdays, not weekends. We don't have time to take on the weekends. If you guys are okay to take on the weekends, if everyone is okay, I will take a feedback in the class and we'll try to conduct the classes on the weekends to cover the more concepts. Okay, to complete the course early, as we have 6 weeks, right? It means that almost 1.5 month will be there. So if you guys are support by taking classes on free time, actually our classes will be 1 hour. So if you guys are supported to attend for the 2 hours of class any one day in the week, then we are going to close it in within 1 month only. Okay, so as of now, first week I will take 1 hour only. So second week I will take feedback, and if you guys are okay only, then I am going to take the classes 2 hours class, or sometimes I'm going to take on the weekend, Saturday, if you guys are okay. Okay. So these are the things we are going to see. So here total 6 weeks we have on the automation testing, right? So let's see the syllabus, what is going to be covered in the total 6 weeks. Week 3 is nothing but 1 2 is completed. One minute, guys. So in week 3, completely about the Java concepts. Okay, week 3 completely about the Java concepts. What is meant by variable? What is meant by data type? What is meant by array? And the conditional statements, loops, classes, objects, constructors, string, functions. Okay, all these are very very important concepts in the interview point of view also. Okay, in interviews they will ask what is meant by OOPS concepts. Inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. You have to explain all those things. What is meant by inheritance? What is meant by polymorphism? What is meant by abstraction? And what is meant by encapsulation? We have to explain all those things and why, how it is interlinked into the automation. You people has to explain all those things in the interviews. Very important interview question if you are applying as a fresher. Okay, even if you are applying as a experienced also, very very important, very very important. Okay, so and exception handling is very very important while writing the scripts for the features and interface collections. All these are very very important concepts which I keep in the module. Okay, this is all about the Java in the week 3. And coming to the week 4, we are going to discuss about the file handling, how to handle the files. Okay, simply we guys can create the files by right clicking, and we have a new option. Under the new we have file folder and some set of options we are clicking that functionality, we are going to create a file, right? So but here it's not like that. File can be created with the script which we have written, and data entered into the file with the help of the script which we have written, all through the automation. Okay, and how to debug in the Eclipse, and git installation and comments, how to install the git and what are the comments we have in the git to use to push or pull the code from the central repository GitHub. Okay, so GitHub account creation and exploring that account, and SSH token create password is nothing but passwordless authentication. For example, we have a repository in the GitHub. In your local laptop, if you want to pull the code or push the code into the repository, it will ask GitHub username and password. It will ask GitHub username and password. If you don't want to ask that GitHub username and password every time while pushing or pulling the code from or to GitHub, then you should use the SSH token. It's a new concept. Will explain you. You have to take the public key of your Git and you have to paste it in the SSH token option in the GitHub account, and then it will generate a passwordless authentication key. You have to link that key in the your Git account. Okay, then the passwordless authentication will be happen. We are going to see in the practically. And next one is Selenium introduction, Eclipse installation, and exploring the editor. And next one Q&A session on the week 4 concepts. Okay, what are the concepts is done on the week 4? We are going to take on the Q&A session. Okay, and next one is week 5. Web locators, testng setup, basic test script using the testng. This is very important. Even if you are fresher or experienced to whoever it is, web locator concept is very important. We have 7 types of web locators mainly. So the first one is XPath, CSS locator, partial link. We have different types of categories in the XPaths. Sorry, web locators. The main agenda of the web locator is we are automating this application, right, through writing the script. That script has to know where that particular functionality is there in that particular page. For example, if I'm automating this Excel sheet, okay, I want to wrap this text, so I have to take an XPath for this wrap text. Okay, I will tell to the system that wrap text location is there. So if, for example, if you want to order any product, you order a food in the Zomato. If you are not giving your location, that how the delivery person will deliver that food to you, it's not possible, right? So in similar way, we are going to use the web locator. TestNG is nothing but say one of the framework we are going to learn. Okay, TestNG is nothing but one of the framework you guys are going to learn. Next one, pop-up handling, screenshots, how to take the screenshots when the cases are failed, handling iframes, tabs, windows, web drivers, and types of frameworks we have. So that TestNG and Cucumber is the two separate frameworks, and you don't confuse why types of frameworks again data driven, keyword driven, hybrid. But SAR sell that TestNG is framework, right? TestNG, Cucumber are the categories of the examples of the frameworks. Okay, but these are the categories of the frameworks. Data driven will be there, keyword driven will be there, hybrid will be there, going to be discussed in the classes. Run Selenium through the mapping. Okay, so we have to discuss about the running the Selenium script through the help of the Maven project. Okay, and run Selenium with TestNG through Maven. Part 1 this, part 2 is nothing but running with CMD, here running with Eclipse. And generation of extent reports, resume preparation, how to apply for the jobs, and Q&A session on week 5 and 6. Okay, and completely week 7 is all about the Cucumber project, and week 8 is all about the live project explanation on the Selenium. Okay, these are the major concepts what you guys are going to learn all about the front end testing. So no backend is included in our course. All is about the front end testing only. Okay, so here let me write the tools what is going to be covered. What tools are going to be covered in here. First one is Eclipse, next one is Java, and next one is Git, next one is GitHub, and the next one is Eclipse is a tool editor, and TestNG, Cucumber, and then we have Maven. We are going to see Maven. Okay, these are the some of the things what you guys are going to be see in the future classes. Future classes. Okay. Clear, guys? Any more doubts so far? Any more doubts go so far, guys?
Raju,
Yes, yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
what are the other tools available in the market currently, and why do we go for Selenium?
So here, all those things are going to be discussed in the tomorrow class. But as of now, you are asking the question, right? So here, so why we are using the Selenium is nothing but we have different tools. Okay, so mostly we have Selenium and WebDriver.io, Cypress. These are the some of the Playwright is recently trending. These are the some of the tools what we have in the current market. Okay, but why we are using this? Selenium means it's a free tool first. We can't buy. No need to buy the tool. The remaining things we have to buy few frameworks and all those things. That is the first thing. And second thing is it's a browser independent. Browser independent is nothing but it can be worked for the many browsers. It may be Chrome, Firefox, in the Mac, Safari, and we have different things. Okay, it can be work for the different browser. And next one is it can be work for the program independent. It means that you can integrate the Selenium with the different frameworks. Sorry, different programming languages. Maybe Java, JavaScript, C Sharp, Python. You can use any language. Okay, and next one is platform independent. It means that it can be integrated with the many of the platforms. We have different operating systems, right? So we have Mac OS operating system will be there, Windows will be there, CentOS Linux operating system will be there, right? The Selenium can be work for the any operating system. Okay, so simply you can remember that BPP. B is a browser independent, P is programming independent, another P is platform independent. And first one you people have to remember is it's a open source and long ago the people are using this one, right? So long communication is and the discussion is there between the Selenium frameworks. If you have any issue in the Selenium, even if you type in the Chrome, you have a long discussion about that particular issue and you get clear your issue very clearly. Okay, that's the reason why we are using the Selenium instead of other tools. You can use other tools as well, but most of the market is dependent on the Selenium only as of clear.
Yes, Raju. Thank you.
Sandeep C, do you have any doubts? No.
No,
Monica, Sudha, Priyadarshini, Hama, Nikita. Please confirm, guys, if you have any doubts. Don't be
No,
worried.
no, no.
Oh, okay. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start then. So, hope you guys are clear about the syllabus, what we are going to learn. I will share this document in the group which is created by your institute. Hope you guys already have this. If not, I will share it again. Okay. Everyone is has the document, right?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts? So even from manual, the people who joined the manual classes, no doubt, right? Sharing this document. Okay, cool. Then, if you don't have any doubts, guys, I will share this document to you. So, if you have any doubts and concerns, you can ask me. Okay. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the demo session for the day. Nothing much to discuss. Today, we are just going to discuss about the syllabus. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss about the topics which we are going to explain in the sheet which I shown you. So if you have any doubts, if you anyone want to talk one to one, you can stay in the class, and remaining people can leave. If you have any doubts,
Raju,
yeah, yeah.
this is all for the day for the demo session.
Sorry, I didn't get your point.
That is all for. I mean, that's all for the day. For the
Good.
for today's session.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I plan to explain the concept, but I didn't. No new students are there, right? So we'll see. Tomorrow, there will be chance to join the new members as well. So that's the reason I'm not going to take this class today. Okay. So I just explained about the syllabus, and I'm closing the session for the day. Okay.
Okay, but we don't actually. We have some time constraints, right? We were talking about to close the sessions in 1 month, right? So why can't we continue today?
So yes, yes, we can continue today, but here no new student is joined, right? If any new student is joined tomorrow class, then they get missed the class. And the initial class, if they miss, they can't understand, right? So we'll see if no one is joined, we can continue the classes from tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, Raju. Thank you.
Okay. If everyone is okay, I will take the classes on the weekends. It's up to you. Okay. It's all about you. If you guys are okay, we'll take the class on the every Saturday. Is everyone is okay if I take on the class Saturday? 2 hours class.
Yes, we are okay with 2 hour class.
What
And
about
weekend
others?
also we are okay.
Sudha, Priyadarshini, you are sitting silent means I can't do anything, guys. You should respond.
Raju, actually, we can complete whatever we planned. Actually, 1 hour session, right? Uh, first we can concentrate on that first 1 hour session, and if the time is not sufficient, then we can continue with the 2 hour session. If everyone is okay, then we can continue.
Time is not sufficient. Is it's our plan, Priyadarshini. So we can know that it won't be. If I follow only 1 hour session, it will take 1.5 months. It means that course is going to be finished in the February end. Are you guys okay if it's completed by February end?
Yeah, that's what. Actually, last 2 weeks we didn't complete even that first 1 hour, right? So that's what I was thinking. Like, first, let's concentrate on first 1 hour, and
Last, sorry. 1 minute, 1 minute. Last 1 week.
so we are not completing 1 hour, right? Mostly we are closing the session within half an hour or 40 minutes. So
Yes, that is
I
the
thought,
manual testing, right? That is the manual testing. So manual testing, we don't have much concepts to discuss. That's the reason we are taking. And initially, if I take the 1 hour or 1.5 hour classes, the people won't understand because you should habituate it to my classes, right? So manual testing classes will be there on 40 to 45 only. So 1 minute, one thing I'm going to discuss. For example, for today I planned of three concepts. Okay, if three concepts is completed within the 40 minutes, I'm not going to proceed with the other concepts in the today only, because if I want me to continue the tomorrow concepts also today, if you have 20 minutes or 15 minutes time for that 1 hour, I will continue. But you guys won't understand. Okay, so if you are okay, I will continue from the tomorrow. Even if we have 5 minutes also, I am going to take the tomorrow concept and going to explain. Okay, getting my point?
okay, I understand, Raju.
Okay, I'm looking for the point of view of all the students. Okay, for example, four members are there. Out of four, one member may be good at understanding. That one member, another member is not good at understanding. They need some time to practice. Getting my point? Okay, please think in the point of all the students. Okay, don't think of your point only. Okay, that's what I'm going to explain. So anyway, you have a concern that should take 1 hour, right? So tomorrow onwards, we are going to take 1 hour session. For example, let me open Excel sheet. Here we have variables and data types and array concept. Okay, it will take 1 hour. Okay, but if it any case it is completed within the 50 minutes, 50. If I have 10 minutes, I will take this class, next class also, and will extend 10 to 15 minutes and will close in the 20-30 minutes. Is it fine? Or do you want me to leave it after 50 minutes? But again, I don't want to get this concern that I'm taking only 45 minutes for 50 minutes session. Need confirmation from you guys.
Let's proceed with whatever you have planned, Raju.
Not like that, not like that. As you said that taking 45 minute session, right, Pridarshini. So here my concern is here. So for example, if 50 minutes is taken for the first concepts, okay, we have 10 minutes left over for our slot. Okay, within the 10 minutes, if I started this concept, you can't understand. I should take 30 more minutes to close this concept, right? So if I take 10 or 15 minutes more and if I explain hurry, then you can't understand. So what teaching you need? That's what I'm asking. Getting my point? Or still you guys are not getting what I'm explaining?
Getting.
So which scenario you need? That's what I'm asking. Because in future, we don't get that concern that I'm taking 45, 50, 55 seconds, 55 minutes. In future, we won't get that concern, right? That's the reason I'm asking. Which type of thing you need?
If the concept is completed by 40 minutes, then you can stop and continue the class by next tomorrow.
What about others? No response. Then how can I proceed if you are not responding? Given the concern, but you guys are not responding, then what I can do? Okay, Monica, 1 hour is fine for me. And Nikita, Priyadarshini, Sudha. What about you? Three. We have two options. I'm asking you to choose an option. Then why you guys are thinking this much of time? I'm not getting.
1 hour
Option
session is
A,
fine,
option
Raju.
B. Option A, option B. Then why you guys are taking time? It's not a exam, right? You won't get marks or you will get marks. It's not an exam. Just give your opinion. Okay, cool. So tomorrow onwards, we'll see. and I will take classes on the weekends as well. So this it is very difficult to take 1.5 month. Okay, so every day I'm going to take. Then I just said that here total how many weeks? Total 6 weeks we left over here, right? So see, up to Friday we have classes here. Sunday, Saturday I'm going to cover two, and then 2 weeks we are going to cover this. Mostly we are going to close by the February first week. Okay, as per that plan. So every Saturday I will take the class. I will let you know the timings of the Saturday class as well. Mostly it will be not as like regular timings. All are from India or else any other zone timings are there? Monica, Shudha, Priyadarshini, Hama,
India.
Nikita.
I'm from US, Raju.
Priyadarshini, right?
Yes, Raju.
What is your time zone there?
I think I'm going half an hour ahead than you. So if it is 7:30 a.m. for you, and for me it is 8 p.m. in the night.
Then, oh, then it's not an issue. Then half an hour ahead means it's not an issue. Then we are going to plan the sessions at 11:30 a.m. Okay, and we'll see how much duration we are going to take based on the concepts, either 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, okay, fine. So that's it. The timing is only concern, or any other concerns you guys have. If not, we'll close the session for the day. And if any more concerns, please let me know now only. Okay, don't tell after end of the course. Please let me know now only. Please respond. Any concerns or
Nothing.
no concerns?
No.
Okay,
Nothing.
then we'll close the session. Okay, have a nice day. We'll meet you all again at the same time tomorrow. And please try to attend from the tomorrow. We are going to discuss as much as possible. And we are going to take 1 hour. And sometimes, if possible for me, we'll take 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, as we are going to plan to close this course within the first week of February or else end of this January. And one thing I forgot to tell you, we don't have any holidays on the Pongal. Okay, please keep this point in your mind. Okay, institute is holiday, but for our batch, we don't have any holidays on the Pongal. Okay, as we are taking classes on the for example, if there is a Bogi festival, then if you want me to postpone the class timings, then I will postpone. Okay, so if you have any concerns about the festivals, if you need any holiday on the festival, please let me know, then I can plan that holiday on the particular day. Okay, based on the count of the members. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you all.